All right, well, I'm back, and I'm still working on cleaning up a bunch of stuff in the school, and I found these two Pushmatic panel guts. I'll start with this one. So this is a, well, it doesn't say a whole lot on it, and it's actually in really good shape. I don't think I've ever, has nothing to do with this. I don't think I've seen one well, I've never seen one in really good shape. They're always old and beat up. It's still got the circuit numbers on the side, which is cool. These looks like they're made of like cardboard, like really hard paper. Insulation, so you run your wire through there and into this terminal. Sorry, my mind is blanking. Sometimes it happens. On the breaker. Turn it over. Let's see. We still got our service cable. So look at this. This is old wire. It's copper. And it's that old school cloth wrapped tar covered service cable. So we've got, and ooh, come on, focus. There we go. Pushmatic brand Electrician, 100 amps, 122/40 volt, Bulldog. It's a really good quality sticker. Amazed that it's in that good shape. And you can tell this one's been installed because it's got the service cable still on it, which is funny. Here is a Pushmatic handle tie. I've never seen one of these before. Operate individually, push here. Operate together, push here. So push here individually, that's cool. And it says dryer, so handle tie. I've never seen a Pushmatic handle tie before. That's really cool. Some actual 2 poles, main lighting. A lot of these panels, these Pushmatic panels would have a split bus system. So you've got bus bars up here. So you've got 2 poles, whatever's, dryer and whatever this was. And then main lighting, and you'll see that this main lighting breaker is controlling the bottom half of the panel. So there's bus bar through here, and then it stops. Same thing on the other side, and then this breaker will turn off the other half of the panel. They don't do that anymore. Lugs on the bottom. So that's really cool. But then this one is in such a good condition, I don't know that it's ever been installed. Same thing, 70 amp. Electrician Pushmatic. This one's rated for 208. So the other one was rated 240. This one's rated 208. That's a cool difference. The cardboard insulation is still in great shape. Still got stickers on the breakers. And I've got this bar in the center, which I've never seen one of these before. Usually these are long gone by the time I get to the panel. And so people ask sometimes if their Pushmatic panel is a good panel, if they should upgrade their service, if they should get a new panel. And I always tell them it depends on how good a condition the Pushmatic is in. Now obviously these aren't installed. They've lived a pretty cushy life in this storage area, but you can tell how good a shape they can be in. The problem is most of the time these Pushmatic panels are installed in basements where they've gotten, subject to moisture and years of abuse, and so they're not in good shape. But I mean, very clearly, you can still find Pushmatic guts that are in good shape. So I'm going to put these back on the shelf and leave them for the next electrician to admire. I'm very excited to show these off to you guys because I bet you've never seen one in that good a shape either. So I'm going to sign off here. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. So I'm still up here messing around, and I found another incredibly good shape Pushmatic panel. This one's cool. It's got the cover, Electrician Pushmatic, and the enclosure. And the thing that's different about this one is it's a main lug only. So you've got a lug on this bus bar and a lug on this one. Kind of cool, huh? There's the label. Twin breakers. ITE. There you go. There's another name reference for you. That's it. Obviously, it's been installed. There you go. Obviously, it's been installed, but man, the inside of it is fabulous looking. Neutral bar up top, that's where they put them. So when you replace these panels and do a service upgrade, your neutrals are always too short.